Welcome to the Rusted Garden Homestead. Very quickly, I want to address the issue of tomato leaf roll or leaf curl. This is what it looks like. It's when the entire leaf is curling inward. It's not twisted or distorted. It's just rolling inward. And when you look at the other tomato plants next to it, maybe down there I see a little bit of rolling, but the leaves over there are generally fine. There's an example of a roll right in there. This plant has it quite a bit. There's nothing to worry about. This is not a disease. It's not something that you're doing wrong. We don't really know why this happens, and when we don't know that, we usually say it's nature related. It could be temperature fluctuations, it could be heat, it could be cold, but this is something you don't need to worry about. We tend to overstress. You'll hear a lot of things about what it is on the internet. As long as a leaf is nice and green, large, and it's just curling inward, the tomato plant will work it out. There's nothing that you can do to fix it. It's nothing to worry about. If you look on some of the other leaves, you'll see a yellow pattern, a brown space. That's nothing to worry about either. If you want to subscribe and follow me, I'll be addressing leaf patterns and helping you understand which ones are fungal diseases and which ones are normal die-off. But your tomato plants will tend to do this at times. Different varieties will react differently to the environment. Sometimes they're just more prone to having this curling pattern. There's nothing for you to be overly worried about. Just stick with consistent watering, feeding on a regular schedule, don't overdo it, and your plants will be perfectly fine. And you can see, tons of tomatoes continue to grow. They look wonderful. Again, up here, a little more curling. As we get up higher, the curling is gone. You just don't have to worry about it. If you want to check out my previous video, I talk about eggshells, how to use them correctly, because putting eggshells down like this doesn't do much. They're going to take years to break down. So I show you a way to actually pulverize the eggshell, use a little bit of vinegar, freeze up the calcium, which means your plant can use it right away. Thanks so much for watching. Don't worry about this general curl on your tomato plants. Please check out my seed shop at therustedgarden.com, and please subscribe. I'll show you how to take care of tomato plants through the 2023 season.